This video will demonstrate how to use Open Access Helper to locate full text of articles. Open Access Helper is a browser extension that can be used to locate open access or library versions of articles of interest. It is especially helpful when you have not started your search from the library webpage. To install Open Access Helper, go to oahelper.org and select the version appropriate to you. I'm going to use the Chrome Web Store version. I'm going to click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Once the extension has been installed, you have a number of different settings options to customize the extension to you. For example, you can choose to include or not include a feature that allows you to search for similar articles. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to turn this feature off, and then I'm going to go to Institutional Settings and search for WRHA Virtual Library. Once your institutional data has been saved, that means that you will be able to access WRHA Virtual Library resources using this extension. Let's take a look at how this works. You may need to open a new window to have the extension be installed. I'm going to open a new window and go to PubMed, and then I'm going to search for pneumonia. From the screen, I'm going to go to the first search results. You see here on the right-hand side that we now have access to a published version of this article using this extension. By clicking on it, I get to the PDF of the full article. Let's take a look at another example. For this article, the extension shows Ask Your Library. This means that there isn't an open access version, but that we can access this article through the WRHA Virtual Library by clicking on this. We get into the WRHA Virtual Library search, and then we see the full text link through Elsevier Clinical Key. If you have any questions or need help using this extension or any other tools available through the WRHA Virtual Library, please get in touch with us.